Good afternoon, students. We have finished exercise 3.1 in data handling. Now let's see exercise 3.2. See now exercise 3.2. First question you see. The scores in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students is as follow. They have given here the score of mathematics test marks is given here. We have to find the mode and median of this data, and also we have to say whether it is same or not. Are they same? Now let's see what is the score and data here. First question, 19, 25, 23, 20, 9, 20, 15, 10, 5, 16, 25, 20, 24, 12, 20. So now they have given these marks. Students who have scored in mathematics out of 25, 15 students they have given. Now we have to find out mode and median. Mode. Now for mode means I already told you what is the mode which occurs frequently in this data. Now we are having here data, but it is not in order. So for mode we need to write it in ascending order. Now let's write in ascending order. 5, 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, 19, 20 you see. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 20 is there. Then 23, 24, 25, 25. So now mode means what? Which is occurring frequently. So many times what is here? Which number is there here? 20 is for 4 times. You can see here. So now mode is equal to 20. Now we have to find out median. Median is equal to, median is what? Median means, I have told you, whatever is in between, half to above, half to below. Now here how many numbers are there? 15 numbers are there. You take this one, 5, 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, 19, 20, 20, 20, 20, 23, 24, 25, 25. Which number is in the middle? It is called median. Now you have here 15 numbers. 15 means 7, 7, 14. Middle number becomes as median. Now you see here 5, 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, 19. These are 7 numbers. Yeah. Now here from back you come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7, 7. Before that median there is 7 numbers before and 7 numbers after. So median is here 20. So median is equal to 20. Now here they are asking in the question you see, are they same? So yes, they are same. Children, did you understand? I hope that you understood. Now second one, the run scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. 6, 15, 120, 50, 100, 80, 10, 15, 8, 10, 15. Now here also they have given some data which they have scored in a cricket match, and we have to find out mean, mode, median of this data, and you have to write out the 3 same. I have already told you in the exercise 3.1 we have did mean. Yeah. Now you can do it as a homework. Mean, mode and median. So I think third one also you can do it as a homework. Third one, you see the weights in kg of 15 students of a class are given: 38, 42, 35, 37, 45, 50, 32, 43, 43, 40, 36, 38, 43, 38, 47. Here also they're told to find out mode and median of this data. Is there more than one mode? They're asking. Mode means which is occurring frequently. So that third one also you can do it as a homework. I think fourth also you can do it as a homework, because find the mode and median of the data: 13, 16, 12, 14, 19, 12, 14, 13, 14. So we have to find out only mode and median. This is similar to first problem only. All the problems are same here. You can do it as a homework. Now let's see fifth problem. Now fifth one, you see here only you can just note down. Tell whether the statement is true or false. They are asking whether those statements are true or false. Now first one, you see the mode is always one of the numbers in a data. Is it true or false? We have to find out. Now suppose the mode is always one of the numbers in a data means mode you can find out in a data only. So we can tell that it is a true statement. Now second one, the mean is one of the numbers in a data. Mean means how we will find out? The formula of mean what? Sum of all observations divided by number of observations. So we have to find out regarding observation. So we cannot tell that mean is one of the numbers in a data. So it is a false. Third one, the median is always one of the numbers in a data. Median also we take from data only. How? Median means what? The middle number is known as median. So that is also true. Fourth one, you see students, the data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13, 9 has mean 9. So now let us calculate whether this is true or false. If we see here, what is the data given? 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 9 plus 12 plus 13 plus 9 divided by how many numbers are there? Mean means what? Sum of observations by number of observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is equal to, when you add these all numbers, how much you will get? 64 by 8. Yeah? Now 8 ones, 8, 8, 64. So here mean is equal to 8. But here they are telling mean has 9. So this statement also is false. So now I gave you homework which problems? Second, third, fourth. 3 problems also you have to do it as a homework. I think you understood, students. In the next class we can see use of bar graphs with a different purpose. Okay, thank you, students.